Good morning, students. Everyone, very good morning. Yes, I'm audible. Yes, very good. Online students, I'm audible. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, right. Okay, guys. Okay, we are discussing about C language, and we have discussed what C is a high-level programming language. Am I right? Why C is called? It is a high-level programming language means because of the C language is created with simple English. Okay, whenever the languages 7 Kumar, okay, course fees are 2000 rupees total course cost. After the class, I'm going to give that. Okay, Mr. Seven Kumar. Okay, after the class, I'm going to give the details. Okay, how to pay the amount, all these things. I'm going to announce in class. Duration 2 months minimum. It is what I am saying, Seven Kumar. After the class, I'm going to clear that. Okay, let me complete the topic. Okay, right. And now see this, guys. Basically, C is called high level, but we are also calling C is a middle level language because of C is created with simple English. When the language is created with simple English, we are calling it is a high level language. But in C language, as well as we are having low level features also. C language comes with both high level features and low level features. That's why we are calling C is a middle level language also. C is also called middle level language. Due to this, any advantage is there means yes. Due to low level features, we are having one advantage, that is we can design both system software and application software. Remember this point. Okay, C language allows to design both system software as well as application software. That's why C is a multi-purpose programming language. That's why we are calling C is a multi-purpose programming. Okay, and now the most important thing is, just before I said C is a what type of language? Basically, yes, come on. C is a high level language, no? And high level language is created in English, no? But the computer understandable code, binary code or not. That's why we have to convert this English program to what? Binary code or not. We have to convert the English code to binary code. For that, we are using the translators. What we are using? Translator is a program. Translator is a program which is used to convert our English programs to binary code. Okay. Now here, translator meaning is what? Simple example I want to give you. See that. What is meant by a translator? Just example. It is only example. For example, here Kishore is there. Okay. Just assume it is example. Here Kishore is there. And here, for example, Narendra Modi is there. Okay. Actually, Kishore mother tongue, Kishore is a Telugu guy. My mother tongue is Telugu. But Narendra Modi knows the Telugu? No. Okay. For example, there is a meeting of Narendra Modi in Hyderabad. Okay. And the meeting is going in Hindi, and all the North Indians attended and the meeting started, and they are listening carefully, and middle they are going to make the claps also. And I'm watching their faces and I'm also making claps. Why? Because language problem. Yes or no? Language problem or not? Why? Because Kishore is a Telugu guy and Narendra Modi. Now what happened in this situation? For example, they are going to arrange which one? Kishan Reddy. Okay, he is one of the minister, central minister right now, who is the Hyderabad MP. Okay, and Kishan Reddy knows both Telugu and Hindi, guys. Okay, Kishan Reddy knows both Telugu and Hindi both. Okay, now what happened means Narendra Modi's speech is going in which language? Hindi. Now that one taken by Kishan Reddy and converts into Telugu or not? Now tell me, guys, can I say Kishan Reddy is a translator? Can I say Kishan Reddy is a translator? Because of Kishan Reddy converting Hindi to Telugu or not? That's why Kishan Reddy is called. Now, in our programming languages, it is nothing but compiler, interpreter, assembler. Okay, it is nothing but compiler, interpreter, assembler. One minute, guys. Sorry, guys. Courier. Okay, I have to give the address. That's all. Okay, guys. Now the point is very clear. Can I say here translator works is what, guys? Converting one form to another form. Now in computer languages, the translator work is what means, which converts the English programs to binary code. Okay, 1 minute, see that, guys. I'm giving more clarity on this. Okay, and now the HR is going to ask one more thing also. Actually, we are having three types of translators. One is compiler, second one is the interpreter, third one is the assembler. Okay, we are having how many translators? Three types. One is what? Compiler. Second one is the interpreter. Third one. Then what is the difference between compiler, interpreter, assembler? Okay, 1 minute, see this. Always the user given instructions are in English only, but the computer understandable language is what? Machine language, which is also called binary code. Any other name? Anybody? Which is also called object code. Remember this. Generally, we are calling machine language now. Machine language, another name is what? Binary code. And binary code, another object code. Now, to convert this English program, and one more important interview question. Anybody knows this English program is also having one name? Anybody knows? This English program is also called with one name. Yes, very good. It is also called source code. Remember, guys. Okay, in interview, they're asking what is called source code. Okay, actually the user given English code is there now. We are writing program now, and that program is in English, I said now. That English program is called source code. That English program is called source code. Right. To convert this English program to binary code, we are using interface software. Another interview question. Okay, we are using interface software. Just before I said translator, no? Translator work is what? Converting into another form, no? The translator, another name is what? Interface software. Remember this. Translator is also called interface software. Okay, we are using interface software like, okay, comma, which is also called what, guys? Yes, translator. Like what they are? Compiler, interpreter, assembler. Okay, compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Next, now they are asking the doubt, guys. Then what is the difference between compiler, interpreter, and assembler. Okay, now I'm going to explain what is the difference. Compiler and interpreter both use it to convert high level programs to machine code. Remember, one of the important thing, compiler and interpreter both are used to convert high level programs to machine code. And third one is what? Assembler is there now. Assembler is used to convert low level programs to tell me, machine code or binary code. It is the difference, guys. Okay, compiler, interpreter, both compiler and interpreter both use it to convert high level programs to machine code, but assembler is used to convert low level programs to machine code. Now they're asking one more interview question. Now they're asking one more question. Then what is the difference between, okay, compiler and interpreter? 1 minute, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Sir, ఇచ్చేసి ఉంచమని చెప్పాము. వాళ్ళు వచ్చి తీసుకుంటారని చెప్పు. Sorry, very sorry. Okay, guys. Now the difference between compiler and interpreter is what, how they are working. Now I want to explain. Say this. Compiler and interpreter both are used to convert high level program. Then what is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Very, very important question. The HR is asking, both are doing the same thing. Then what is the difference? Okay, now watch it. Compiler completes the total program. Okay, compiler completes the total program at once. by leaving error lines. Whereas the interpreter line by line. Now you are getting it out. Sir, what is that completing at once and line by line meaning is what? Generally common doubt now. Okay, compiler completing the total task at once. But interpreter, what I am saying? Line by line. Now the difference is what? Completing at once and line by line meaning is what? Now, everybody take a look on this. I'm going to give you simple example. Now easy to understood the difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay, take a look on this, guys. Suppose just assume it is our C program. Okay, now it is called, which is nothing but what, and which is in English now. Right now it is a source code, C source code, which is in English. And here, for example, we are having some code like this. Okay, tell me guys, how many lines are there? Very good, 4. And right now it is in which language, guys? English or not? But the computer is able to understand? No. That's why we have to convert into what? Binary code now. Then how to convert into binary code? For that, I'm using which one? Compiler now. And now how the compiler going to convert this English program to binary code? Okay, observe it, very, very important. Because of in future, you are going to attend either Java, .NET, Python. This topic is compulsory. This topic is, because of without this topic, your program is never going to convert into binary code. Remember, okay? Without this one, your program never going to convert into binary code. Got it? That's why it is compulsory thing. And now, how the compiler is going to work, guys? And just to watch it here, I'm going to give the working style. It is the compiled code file. Okay? And now what is first line is going to take? It is going to take the first line. Now the compiler converts this English code to what? Binary code. Not only that one, not only that one. There is another major important thing is there. Remember, okay? Every translator or compiler does two things, guys. Remember everybody, compiler does two things. One is what? Okay. One is nothing but checking the programming mistakes, which is called errors. Okay, checking the errors, guys. Actually, who designed C language? You? You have designed C language? I have designed? No, Dennis Ritchie. Who is the author of C language? When it is designed by someone means certain rules and regulations are there. And as a user, we should have to follow the rules or not. Now, how to check whether we are following the rules or not? That is again compilation. Okay, that's why when you are going to compile a program, the compiler does two things. One is, first thing is what? Checking the errors, guys. Most important thing, first checking the errors. And second thing is what? English to binary conversion. The second thing is English to binary conversion. Not only compiler, even interpreter, assembler also doing the same thing. Means totally the translator does two things. Okay, first one is checking errors. Second one, English to binary code. Okay. Now see this, guys. It is the first line now. Now the compiler is taking the first line, checking the first line, no problem at all. When there is no problem, now this line passed to where, guys? Compiled code file. Okay. Tell me in first line, there is any mistake? No. And that line is going to store in compiled file. Now it is going to take the second line, guys. Second line. But in second line, there is a mistake, error. In second line, there is an error. Nothing to worry. It is going to take the second line also. It is going to take the second line. Now there is an error. Even though it is having error, it is also going to store in file, guys. Even though it is having error, that line also stored in file. Now it is going for third line. Now third line, there is no mistake. Now it is also going to store in file. And fourth line, again there is a mistake and it is also compiled, and this line also going to store in file. And now tell me guys, how many errors are there in this program? Totally, how many errors are there? Two errors are there. Where they are? Where the errors are, I'm asking. Second line and fourth line or not? We are having the errors in second line and fourth line, guys. Okay. Now watch it, guys. What is happening? For example, your program is not having any errors. Suppose there is no mistake in your program. Okay. Then it is sent to, okay. This program passed to where, guys? Run, and after running the program, you are going to finally get the output. Okay, when there is no mistake in your program, when there is no error in our program, later it is passed for run. And actually run is called what? Okay, now the run is also called execution. Okay, remember this, the run is also called execute. Everybody remember, run is also called execute. And after execution, we are getting what, guys? Output. Okay, I think very clear now. When after run or execute, we are getting the output. But when it is happening, yes, when it is happening, when there is no error, when there is no error, then only it is happening. But our program is having what? But our program is having what? Errors now. When errors is there, what is going to be happen? When error is there, immediately, okay, it is going to show the errors. Now it is giving the errors. Okay, now it is showing the errors. Where the errors, guys? Second line and fourth line or not? Now we are having totally two errors in second line and fourth line. 1 minute, guys. I'm having small doubt in this example. Where the first error? Where the first mistake or error is? Second line, no? And now the process stopped in second line after the fourth line. I need a clarity. Actually, the first error is in second line. Actually, the first error is in second line. But the process stopped after the second line, after the fourth line. I need a clarity. After the and fourth line means last line. Fourth line means, that means after completion of the total program, it is showing error middle of the program. I need a clarity. After completion of the program, it is giving error or middle? After. That means very clear here. Okay. After what? Completion of total program, showing what, guys? Showing what, guys? Very good. After completion of the total program, it is giving errors. 1 minute, guys. Just the highlighted part is what? Highlighted part is what I am asking. Completion na? Tell me, completion na? And tell me, guys, this selected part. Only the selected part. I'm asking only the selected part. CO, MP. COMP mean? Kampu. COMP means? What it mean? COMP means what I'm asking. Completion or not? COMP means completion or not? That's why this one is called. That's why this one is called compiler. Means showing the errors after completion of total program. Okay, after completion of total program. That's why we are calling it is compiler. Now I think everybody understood. Okay, when it is going to show the error means after completion of total program. That's why we are calling it is a compiler. Okay, it is a working style of compiler, guys. Next, now come to the interpreter. How the interpreter working? Okay, I want to explain about the interpreter also. Just watch it. It is the compiler working style. Now come to the interpreter, guys. Okay, same program, guys. Again, same program. Just watch it, guys. I'm doing only one thing. Only small thing I'm going to do. 1 minute, see this. Okay, it is our original code now. Yes, it is our original code. And this time I'm going to use which one? Interpreter. I'm going to use interpreter. Then how the interpreter works? Okay, just to watch it. First, interpreter is going to take the first line. The interpreter taking the first line. Okay, there is no mistake. Then directly it is passed for, listen, then directly it passed for runner execution, guys. Runner. That means one point is missing. Anybody? One thing is missing. Anybody? File. Here any file is there? In previous example, first the compiled code stored in a file or not? But here any file is there? That means the compiled code directly passed for run or execution. Tell me in first line, any mistake is there? No, then it is passed to execution. But in second line, we are having what, guys? Second line, we are having the what? Error or not? Yes, in second line, there is a mistake. Okay, when there is a mistake, directly the interpreter passing for, okay, immediately the interpreter passing for where, guys? Come on. Yes, very good. Now it is going to show the error. Where the error, guys? Where the error is? Second. 1 minute, guys. Small doubt. Actually, where the mistake? Where the mistake is? Second line now. Second line means end of the program, middle of the program. End of the program, middle of the program. Means it is showing, okay, showing error at the middle of the program or not? 1 minute. Okay, showing error at the middle of program. No doubt at all. Okay, very good. Next, 1 minute. Tell me, guys, this selected area, what it is? Middle now. Tell me what it is. What it is, guys? Tell me. Inter means what? Inter meaning cat. Okay, at least tell me. After the 10th class, before the degree, क्या पढ़ रहा है तू? Before the degree or after the 10th class, you are going to join which class? Inter or not, guys? Because of it is middle between secondary education and graduation. It is in between secondary education and graduation or not? That's why that course is called intermediate or not? That's why we are calling it is intermediate now. And where the program also stopped right now? Middle or not? And middle another name is what? Inter or not? It is the working style of interpreter. Okay, and now tell me, guys, in second line there is a mistake now. Now it is checking the third line, checking the fourth line. Means it is checking at a time, line by line. At a time, line by line. Clearly, line by. It is the same thing I said. Whereas the interpreter, line by, and compiler, total program at once by leaving. Error lines are not. Compiler completes the total program at once by leaving error lines. But interpreter, I think everyone understood. It is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Got it, everyone? And in C language, we are using compiler. In C language, we are using That's why C is called compiler based programming language. That's why C is called compiler based programming. I think everyone understood this point. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? Yes, I'm adding the both pictures. Okay. It is the compiler working style and it is the interpreter working style. Okay, online class है ना, washroom में भी attend करता, हाँ? Yes. Right. Next, third one is there na guys, assembler. Now assembler working style. Assembler working style is similar to what? Remember, assembler working style is similar to what? Compiler, guys. Next, now you are getting a doubt. Where we are using compiler, where we are using interpreter. Very simple. Compiler we are using in C and C++. Compiler is used in C and C++. And where we are using interpreter? In Java, .NET, Python. Okay, they are called compiler based interpreted languages. Remember this. Java, .NET, Python. We are calling what? Compiler based interpreted. Why? Because Java designed for the web applications. Java, Python, .NET designed for. That's why there is another thing, interpreter also required. Remember? Okay, I'm giving that C and C++ or okay, compiler based programming languages. But Java, okay, .NET or Python are called what they are? Compiler based and interpreted languages because of both required, guys. Remember why? Because both required. Later I'm going to explain. Okay, why they are using interpreter also in Java. Later I'm going to explain. Nothing to worry about it. Okay, that's all. And now anyone is having any doubt regarding to this explanation? Both online and offline students. Both online and offline students. First, this topic understood now? Why we have to use the okay translator, understood? Everyone. Sumana, face bhi दिखाओ. Huh? Only wall दिख रहा है. Right. Now tell me, guys. Any doubts you are having? No, no. Can I go for the next concept? Right. Very good. Next, guys. Now we are moving to one of the most important thing. One of the most very important thing. Why C is a procedure oriented programming language, which is nothing but POP. What is called POP? Okay. Listen, so many interview things are there. So many interview things you are going to get in this concept. Why C is called procedure oriented programming language? Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about that topic. First, to understand this one, you have to know something, guys. What is that? Every programming language having a particular structure. Everybody remember, every programming language having a particular structure, which is called programming structure, and technically that name is paradigm, which is technically called programming paradigm. Interview question, remember that. It is a interview question. Okay. Actually, what is called programming structure? Immediately say programming paradigm. Programming paradigm is also called programming structure. Okay. And now you are getting it out. Sir, what is called programming paradigm? Okay, 1 minute, just to watch it, guys. Just it is example. See that it is looking like what enough. Just example, tell me enough. Looking like what? Generally. Okay, my God. Okay, after watching that, your feeling is what? Looking like what I'm asking. Robo, na? My God. Okay. Now here also there. Now tell me, Janwara Admina. Now it is looking like Janwara Admi. Human or animal? At least human or not. How to identify it is a human or animal? Animal is having this structure. तेरे घर में है क्या ऐसे ऐसे जैसे कि एनिमल? हाँ बोलो. हाँ तेरे घर में ऐसे एनिमल है क्या? Then tell me, guys. Tell me what it is I'm asking. Human being na? One person. Person na? Tell me, person. Actually, this person is what? Head or not? It is a head or not? Now this is a. And these are the. There is a clarity now. There is a clarity. When the structure is there, we are calling what it is. Human or not, guys? Now it is the human structure. And every human being having the same structure or not? Some members are having extra structure. Then why you are getting doubt, man? You also having the same structure, na? Every human being is having same to same structure, na? Yes, that means it is the human structure. Like that, every programming language also having structure. Every programming language also having a structure. And C structure is called POP. C structure is called POP. POP means procedure oriented programming. Suppose C++ is there, Java is there, Python is there, .NET is there. They are called OOP. They are called OOP. OOP means object oriented programming structures. Okay. OOPS. OOPS mean object oriented programming structure. For example, Python and C++. Python and C++, they are called multi-paradigm programming languages. Python and C++ both are called multi-paradigm programming language. Why C++ and Python are called multi-paradigm? Because of in C++ and Python, okay, we are having both POP and OOP, guys. Python and C++ follows both structure. One is nothing but POP, procedure oriented programming, and means how many structures are there? Two or not? When two structures are there, multi na? Multi. Okay, only one value is there? Single. When more than one value is there? That's why these languages are also called what? Multi-programming paradigm. Remember, interview question. All these are interview question. What is called multi-paradigm? When a programming language following more than one programming structure, that kind of languages are called multi-paradigm programming language. And C is a single paradigm. Which is that one? C follows which technology? POP. Which follows? POP. And now to understand what is POP, to understand what is POP, first you have to understand what is monolithic programming or what is called unstructured programming. Okay, actually to understand what is a POP means, first you have to know olden days language technique, which is called monolithic, which is called monolithic, or which is also called unstructured, which is also called unstructured. For example, guys, anybody tell me it is what? Anybody? After watching this example, it is looking like what? What it is? Come on. Amoeba. It is nothing but. Tell me, all the amoebas are in same structure. All the amoebas are in the same structure. I'm asking. No, no. That's why it is a unstructured living organism. Amoeba is a unstructured because of no proper shape. No proper shape. It is called unstructured. It is called unstructured. But C is having a structure. That's why it is a structured programming language. And now I am giving clarity on what is unstructured, what is called structured. Okay. And now very, very important. That means first to understood POP, first you have to know monolithic means what. Okay. Now watch it. What is meant by monolithic programming? Just watch it. I am giving simple example. Okay, everybody take a look on this. First, I want to explain what is called monolithic programming. Then you can understand procedure-oriented programming. Watch it, guys. It is the output I want to create on the screen. Everybody take a look on this. I want to generate the output like this. Just assume it is our monitor. And on the monitor, I want to print the output like this. First, I want to create a line. I want to design a line. Later, I want to say like this. Okay, welcome to C. Later, again, I want to create the line. Okay, next. Thank you. Next, again, I want to create the line. Okay, guys. Now tell me, guys, how many lines of text is there? Matter. Matter in how many lines? 2 lines, no? 2 lines matter is there. And how many horizontal lines are there? 3, no? Okay, now I want to create same to same output. 3 horizontal lines, 2 text lines. Okay, guys. Then how to create the same program? Okay, see this. Everybody take a look on this. I'm going to create the same thing. Hash include stdio.h void main. Later I'm explaining all these things. Okay, otherwise do one thing. Suppose printf, first what I want to create? Line. Am I right? In our keyboard, minus is there or not, guys? Just to hold the minus for few seconds. Line created. Now it is looking like a line or not? And I have created this line by using what? Minus or not? Just to hold the minus button for few seconds. Automatically horizontal line is coming or not? Finished. And now listen. Why this stdio.h I am using in this program? Because of I am using printf now. And this printf function available in stdio.h. Remember that. Okay. stdio.h. Why we are using there means whenever we are working with a printf function, printf need the program now. And any switch is stored the printf program. Where, guys? stdio.h. Okay. You need more clarity on this. You need more clarity on this. Nothing to worry. For example, in previous example, we have designed a person or not, guys? Human being. Am I right? And what it is, guys? Hands are not. Anyone tell me? Our hands are under control of what? Online students also. The hands controlled by. My God. A kaun banega crorepati se na? You are not able to give the answer. Okay. At least tell me all our body parts under control of the brain or not, guys? Say yes or no, man. All our body parts are under control of brain or not? Tell me, where is the brain in our body? Where is the brain in our body? Inside the head. Very good. Inside the head. Where is the head in our body? Come on. At the top or not? Yes or no? Now in my example, the hand is nothing but printf and stdio.h is std.h is the at least 1 minute. Tell me, guys. Okay, std.h. Okay, where it is? Watch it. Right now in my program, where is the std.h? At the top or not? At the top, what we are having? At the top, what we are having? Head or not? That's why this line is called. That's why this line is called. Because of that file declared at the top. Because of that file declared at the top. Understood? That's why we are calling it is a header. And why this header file required? Because of printf operated by this header file. Okay, this printf operated by this header file. That's why we are declaring that header file at the top. I think everybody there is a clarity. Okay, when printf is used, compulsory to add stdio.h. stdio.h. std mean standard. IO mean input output. std mean standard. IO mean input output. H mean header file. H mean that's why the full form of this one. Okay, standard input output header. It is the meaning, guys. Okay, full form of st.h is standard input output header. What is hash include? Later I'm going to explain. Okay, next, later printf, guys. Printf is working. Okay, after printf, what I want to print? Welcome to see. Later I need the line again now. Yes, I need the line again, guys. Now I am creating the line again. Later watch it. Printf, thank you. And again I want to create the line. Okay, and now the line also created, program also completed. Watch it, guys. Any warnings or errors in our program? Any warnings, any errors? Means our program 100% completed. Watch the heading, guys. Heading. That means actually 1 minute. Tell me now, can I say it is called source code? It is called tell me, guys, source code in which language? The source code is in which language? English or not? Right now our program is in English now, but computer understandable? Binary or not? Now how to convert this English program to binary code? Simple. See that, guys, there is an option called compile or not? There is an option called compile. Now watch it, guys. Heading is what? And warnings, errors, and program is saying. Now our program 100% okay. Yes. And next step, watch it, guys. Next step, run. Next step, we want to get the output now. To get the output, compulsory to go for run. Now select the run. Answer is there, guys. Answer is there or not there? But answer is in different lines or side by side? Answer is in different lines, side by side. Side by. Now watch it. I am adding /n. What it is? /n mean next line. /n meaning now I am adding one more /n. Okay, here also /n and here also /n. But here not required. Why? Because last line it is. It is a last line. Now watch it, guys. Your output is in different lines. Okay. And now tell me, how many horizontal lines? 3. How many text lines? Is it clear? Up to this clear? One small doubt I'm having. In this example, horizontal lines, how many times I have typed? I have typed the horizontal lines. How many times? 3 times. I have typed the horizontal lines. 3 times or not? Means suppose 100 times I need the line. Just assume 100 lines, 100 times I want to use the line. Then how many times I have to type the? How many times I have to type the horizontal line? 100 times, no? Means time. It need more time now, guys. It need And one more most important thing, how many brackets are there? Watch it carefully and give me answer. How many brackets? Bracket, guys. Flower bracket. Okay, at least clearly I'm asking. How many flower brackets are there? Only one it is called, not two. Oh, opening egg, closing egg. My God. Opening किया तो closing भी किया करना पड़ेगा ना? What, guys? How many brackets are there? Only. 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 One is called mono. One is also called mono. One is also called. It is called monolithic programming. It is called. That means in olden days, they're writing how many programs? Olden days, they're writing how many programs? Only one. In olden days, they're using how many programs? Only one is also called monolithic. No? Now it is the example for monolithic program. Now the problem is what in monolithic programming? Okay. Now at least tell me how many horizontal lines? How many horizontal lines? 3 are there now? And 3 times I have typed one time. 3 times. When 100 times? 100 times I have to type or not? That means here we have to type again and again. The same thing or not? Yes or no? Now watch it, guys. Listen carefully, everybody. It is the example for monolithic programming. Okay, 1 minute. Example for what, guys? Monolithic programming. Okay, it is nothing but monolithic. Next. Now I am going to, okay, output same to same. See that? Output is this one. Okay, right. Now small change I am going to do. Okay, very small change I am going to do. Watch it, guys. Here I am going to write another example. Void. Program name is what? My program name. Line na? My program name is line. Okay. Now it is the line. Now tell me, guys, how many times I have created the line? How many times I have created the line? Only one time now. Watch it carefully. Only one time. Okay, watch it everybody carefully. First, what it is? Line. And again, line. And again, line. Now tell me, line how many times created? Only. But how many times used? 3 na? 3 times na? Watch it. Answer same to same or not? Answer same to same or not? Okay. Now watch it. I am calling line. Line. Again. Now how many times line called? Watch it. 5 lines are there or not? Say yes or no. And now finally, I need one small clarity on this. In this example, line function created how many times? Line program created how many times? But used 5. Can I say reusability? Reuse. Reuse na means I am using the same function again and again or not. Now it is called reusability. And one more thing, watch it carefully and tell me. Right now, how many brackets are there? Watch it carefully and tell me. 1 na 2 na? 1 na 2 na? Huh? 2 na? 1 minute. Everybody observe it. 1 minute, everybody observe it. Suppose one more program I am going to use. Void line 2. Now this time printf stars. Previous line is what? Minus or hyphens na? This time star. And now line 2. I am calling the line 2. Line 2. See that? Same answer we are getting or not? First 3 lines created with hyphens. First 3 lines created with hyphens or not? But last 2 lines? Star na? 1 minute, tell me. Line 1 created how many times? Created. And line 2 also? But used. That one 3 times, this one 2 times na? And how many flower brackets are there? How many flower brackets are there? 3 na? Means now it is single program, several programs. Now it is single program, several program. This is called POP. This one is called POP, procedure oriented programming structure. Now tell me guys, after observing this program, POP advantage. Anybody? After watching this example, anybody tell me POP advantage? Write once, use many times. Practical example now guys. How many times written? Line function how many times? Used how many times? Means write, use many times or not? Due to this program size. Program size decreased or not guys? Program size, it is called structured programming. It is called previous concept. Unstructured. Monolithic is called unstructured, and this concept is called. And in this example, line 1 is a function, line 2 is a function, main is a function guys. Line 1 is a function, line 2 is a function, and main also. How to identify it is a function or not? Simple. Brackets, open brackets. Okay, parenthesis is there now. 1 minute, tell me it is what guys? This one is what I am asking. Brackets na? Which brackets? Flower brackets or parenthesis? When parenthesis is there, it is a function. And this one also. And this one also. That means this program is collections of. This program is collection of functions na? Collection of. That's why C is also called function oriented programming. That's why C is also called. Why? Because it is collection of functions na. C program is collection of function. And function another name is procedure. Function another name is, which is also called module. Which is also called module guys. That's why C is a POP. POP mean procedure. Okay, POP full form, procedure oriented program. Okay, now you are getting a doubt, sir. Why it is also called function? Why this one is also called function oriented? Very simple. Anybody? First tell me, guys. Okay, can I say? Well, everybody knows this. Birthday. Birthday is a what, guys? I need a clarity, man. Birthday is a function or not? Birthday is a function. Marriage? Marriage is a what I am asking? Function or not? At least tell me. At least tell me. It is a general question, na? General knowledge not required for this. Regular, na? Why the birthday is a function or marriage is a function? Anybody? Why the birthday is called it is a function or marriage is a function? It is what I am asking. Anybody? Yes. Many things are happen. Okay. Any more? Celebrations. Yes. Very good. Yes. Happiness. Okay. Special day, birthday. Yes. Birthday is a special day. Marriage day also special day. Yes or no? Yes. Nobody is giving the correct answer. Function. Bagels. Because of it is having fun. Mm. Because of birthday is having a fun. Tell me anybody. Fun means plus action. Action means huh? Movement, man. Action mean. Now tell me your birthday is a happy moment or not. Say yes or no. Yes, birthday morning, balloons or something. Evening. ये तो कंपलसरी ना. हाँ केक नहीं है तो भी नो ही प्रॉब्लम. हाँ कोई नहीं प्रॉब्लम. लेकिन ये नहीं तो कैसे. हाँ चिल्ड. Yes or no. Now tell me your birthday is a happy moment or not. Everybody happy moment na. That's why birthday is a function. And tell me marriage. Up to marriage. Up to marriage every moment is a happy moment na. After marriage only happy is gone. Only movements are there. Purana, once upon a time, I am Kingu, now Bongu. Huh? Example, senior who na? Huh? Once upon a time, I am also having curly hair. Huh? Now see that. Huh? Now tell me, happy marriage is a happy moment or not? Yes, of course. You are not going to marriage. Huh? Suppose you are saying no, but you are going to not marriage. You are going to marriage or straight answer. Yes ना वो चाहिए लेकिन वो तो प्रॉब्लम. Right. Now tell me guys, marriage is a big one or small one? Marriage is a big one or small one? Now one person can complete the total marriage. One person is able to complete the total marriage. That's why we are dividing the big marriage into small pieces. One person invitation part, one person decoration part, one person food section, one is going to arrange the rooms and something. Am I right? Now means we are dividing the big program into small. That's why birthday is a function. Marriage also. Now tell me, function is a small program. Function is a. Now tell me guys, big marriage function divided into. In C language also what happened? Now tell me, based on this example. Based on this example, tell me. In C language also, one big main function divided into several small pieces or not. Now these pieces are called subprograms. What they are called? Subprograms or subroutine or procedure or function. Remember, okay, different names are there. Subprogram, subroutine, procedure or function. Now tell me guys, based on this example, C program is collection of procedures or function now. That's why C language is called POP. POP mean? POP stands for procedure oriented programming. POP means procedure oriented. In Java, what happened? In place of this, they are going to use objects. What they are using? That's why Java is called object oriented programming. I think everybody now clear? Huh? It is why they are called functions or procedures. It is nothing but procedure oriented programming. Okay, now I am giving clear clarity on POP. Watch it guys. I am going to give full clarity on POP. Just assume it is a program. Just assume guys. It is the program and with how many lines? 100 lines for example. Just assume it is a 100 lines program. 100 lines program means it is a big one or small one? Come on guys. It is a big one or small one? Big one no? Tell me, this English program is called what guys? Source code na? Now how to convert source code to binary code? Very good. Compilation. For that what we are using? Compilation na? In compilation it is giving only one error. After compilation it is giving only one error, but it is not showing the line number. Then tell me how many lines we have to check? 100 lines. It is taking more time or less time? It is taking more time or less time? Why? Because big program. Because of next guys, 100 lines program takes more memory, na? 25 lines takes more memory. Okay. For example, 100 kgs person is there, 55 kgs person is there. There is a running race. Who is going to win? What guys? 50. Why? Because when weight is increased, performance decreased or not? Now in C language, what I am doing, see that now, easy. Same program I am dividing into how many pieces? 4 pieces. Now here, how many lines? Here also, here also. Now here. Okay, 1 minute, everybody observe it. It is going to finish. 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay. Now it is showing error, guys. Now tell me, how many lines you have to check? 25 or 100 lines are? Easy to. It is easy to find the error. Easy to find the mistake or not? It is the first advantage. Next, 25 lines takes more memory or less memory? 25 lines takes more memory, not less memory. When less memory required, performance is high or not? Performance is. Now tell me, big program best or small programs? I need a clarity. Big program best or small programs best? Small programs, no? Tell me, in first example, how many programs are there? In first example, this one. Programs. Only one program, no? Then can I say it is nothing but it is called, and now can I say what it is, guys? It is called procedure oriented programming or not? First example is monolithic. This one, tell me in first example, how many lines are there? 100 lines single program or several? But this time, several programs means how many? How many? 4. Each one having. Now can I say these are which are called? Which are called? Which are called? Which are also called? Which are also called? Now tell me, guys, here what it is? Come on. Procedure. Then it is what? Procedure. Then this one also. Now I think it is matched. That's why C is called. That's why C is called procedure oriented. Now advantages are what? Okay, what are the advantages? Advantages means one is just before I said what it is. Means what? Right? Use. Just before I have given example. Write only, but use many times. Okay, it is the first advantage of function oriented or procedure. And second orient, simplicity. Why? Because easy to. When program is small, easy na, difficult? Easy or not? And third one is what? What it is? Dividing big program into small pieces or not? And fourth one is nothing but what it is? Why? Because when program is small, it takes more memory or less memory? When less memory required, performance is high or not? Yes, these are all the advantages of POP concepts. These are all the advantages of. I think everybody clear? Everybody understood what is the difference between monolithic and POP, and what is unstructured, what is structured? Everybody, is it clear? Now someone asked C follows which programming structure? Your answer should be POP. C follows, and C is a structured programming language. Understood, everybody? And these are the advantages of POP, guys. Okay, very good. Now one more thing is there, that is nothing but what are the why C is a general purpose. Tomorrow we are going to discuss that. Okay, guys. Tomorrow at 11:15. Okay, tomorrow at 11:15 we are going to discuss the next topic. Okay, Shravan Kumar. Okay, I'm going to give that. Nothing to worry. I'm going to upload the entire notes. Okay, to the Google Classroom. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, 2 months, Shravan Kumar. Yamini, MS Office working based on internet. Yamini, without internet, you can't create MS Word file. Yamini, without internet help, we no. Okay, it's not. My God, it's not opening. Who said that? Right now, it is MS Word. Whatever the text I am typing, it is MS Word, and I doesn't need any internet for this. Okay, Yamini, MS Word, Notepad, WordPad, internet not compulsory. Okay, Shravan Kumar, to crack the interview, it is required compulsory. Okay. Yes, Mirja Sheikh. After the basics, I'm going to start the practical also. Yes. Okay, I'm giving the fees particulars. Okay, some members are asking the fees particulars. It is the fees particular details. It is, guys. Everyone take the snapshot. 1 minute. And before that, 1 minute, guys. I'm giving the mobile number also. Yes, of course, Mirja. Yes, of course. I'm providing for online students also. Okay. Yes, notes you are going to get, and how to download the software. Later, I'm going to show that. 1 minute, guys. I'm giving the admin number also for this. It is the admin number. You are having any doubt regarding to the class. Okay. Okay, it is the admin number, guys. Okay. It is the admin number, everybody. First take the snapshot of this one. Why? Because means in future you are having any doubt, you have to contact this number. And it is a fees payment procedure. Total course fees 2000. Yes, Shravan Kumar, I have given the admin number also. Like 1 minute, wait. I'm giving, okay. 1 minute, 1 minute. Now it is very clear now. And not 7 a.m. 1 minute. Now you are going to get confusion. And now take this one, guys. It is the admin number. Total course cost, total. Okay, 2000 rupees. And it is the bank account number. Okay, online students, you have to pay the amount to this number. Don't send the amount to admin number. Okay, please. Don't send your amount to that admin number, guys. And nowadays, Google Pay, Phone Pay. Yes. Don't send your details to admin number. Huh? Just send your details to this. Okay, admin. And only details, guys. And you have to pay to this account number. It is a bank account number, guys. Okay. We are having Naresh IT account number now. It is the account number, and keep the snapshot also with you. Keep the snapshot. Why? Because means to add your name to the Google. Okay. First of all, you have to show the snapshots. Clear? Right. Admin name Mahesh. Okay. Yes, Ravan Kumar. I think you are thinking Gal is there admin, huh? Gal hai to मजा होगा, हाँ? Admin name भी पूछ रहा है. Right. Okay, guys. Everyone taken now? Everyone have taken this, right? Okay, I'm going to. Yes, I'm adding that. I'm giving the notes. Okay. Yes. One minute. It is an example for monolithic. Next. In C language, a big program is divided into what? Is divided into several small, what they are, which are also called sub routines or yes, subprograms, subroutines or procedures or functions, which are also called. Okay. Now next, hence C is a what type of language? Structured programming language. Okay. Example is this one, guys. Yes, it is the fair example. It is the example for procedure oriented, but answer is same to same. And now, okay, I'm going to add the advantages also. What they are? First one is what? Modularity. Okay, dividing big program into small modules based on requirement. Next one, write, use many times and easy to read the instructions or understand. And fifth one, efficiency, performance of program. Improved or not? Yes. And now these are the advantages, guys. Okay, now? Now, actually, pictorially, it is represented like this. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Now, easy to understand now this one. What is a program? Everything. That's all. Now take the snapshots. Okay, 1 minute. Take this one, guys. Completed? Okay, go for the next page. Yes, sir. Okay, now go for the next page. Complete, huh? And this picture is visible clearly. Completed? Everyone completed? Okay. Okay, right. 1 minute, huh? 1 minute, everyone. 1 minute. I'm adding this point also. That's why easy to understood. C++ and which one? Follows both POP and hence they're also called what? Multi paradigm. Multi paradigm programming language. Okay. That's why they're also called multi paradigm programming languages. Okay. Now 1 minute. Up to this completed now? Yes, now take this. Okay, I think everyone clear? Yes. Okay, tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining. Until that, take care and bye-bye, guys. Thank you all. Yes. Yes, Lokesh, you are having any question, put in chat window. Yes, same module, yeah. Okay, I will try. Okay, Mirja. Okay, Shravan Kumar. It is going to take minimum 2 months. Okay, Shravan Kumar. It is going to take minimum 2 months.
नेक्स्ट वीक या उसके अगले नेक्स्ट वीक से फिर से चालू होने वाली नेक्स्ट वीक या अगले नेक्स्ट वीक से फिर से स्टार्टिंग होने वाली किसी के नेक्स्ट मंथ में हो सकता है महाराष्ट्र से है
Okay, Sandesh, later I am going to give that how to install. Okay. When the practical session started, I am going to show that how to install the software. Okay. Okay, Sandesh. Right.